Homeway construction is really just, it's anything that you need done to your home, whether it's a renovation, whether it's paint, whatever's going on in your home, Homeway Construction is there for you. I know there are a million different options when it comes to contractors, painters, you name it. I know there's 1,000 different things when you Google it. But the difference is between us and Chuck and a Truck is, first of all, we're licensed, we're insured. You know, we're gonna make sure that you're taken care of. And when it comes down to it, it's just the quality of work. You know, we really specify on having our guys in the places. Our painter, that's what he does, he paints. Our carpenters, they do carpentry. We're not having a jack of all trades come in and do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and being okay at everything. The people that come with Homeway Construction are the best of the best out there. We stand by the fact that we have the absolute best tile guys, best painters, best everything in the area. You're not gonna be looking at someone that's gonna come in and completely redo your kitchen, just that one person. It's gonna be multiple people because they take so much pride in their work. They're gonna make sure that when they build something out, a space they would wanna step into every day. And you just can't beat that quality. When someone truly cares about your home to that same level, it's really hard to beat that type of quality.